Hey, how you doing? This is Said and I'm back with another video, and in this video we're going to talk about how to do affiliate marketing when you have so little time to do affiliate marketing. So I appreciate and understand that sometimes you may not have much time in the day or night to work in your affiliate marketing business that you're trying to build. There could be many reasons, such as your family circumstances, commitments, even when you have a full-time job and you're trying to fit it in, the affiliate marketing side of things as a side thing, side business, um, as a side hustle. And you definitely, in these situations, you will have less time to spend in your business, right? And I appreciate that. I understand that. So having said that, it shouldn't still stop you from building your dream business. It shouldn't stop you from building a potential business that can provide you with more time freedom, money freedom, and location freedom. So isn't it worth just to try and make an effort to at least allocate some time, throughout the day or even in the night for what it can potentially provide for you, you know. So let me say this, even if, I have 30 minutes, to work on my business, uh, I would still work on that, I could still use those 30 minutes to work on the business and build and grow the business. It's possible. Don't think that it's not worth doing just because it's only 30 minutes, because it's definitely worth doing. In less than an hour a day, if you can allocate it, you can definitely achieve success. It may take you a little longer, but you can get to your destination. Just imagine, you have a car that can only do 30 miles an hour, where another person's car can do 60 miles an hour. So your car is obviously slower, theirs is faster. So it will take you twice the time, to get where you want to go, but you'll get there eventually, right? So in the circumstances where you have little time, there's a proven process known as Kaizen, if I, pronounced it right, where you complete small action steps each time in order to compound to bigger results, right? There's a book on it called One Step Can Change Your Life, The Kaizen Way by Robert Mora. When you get a chance, you can have a look at that book, and it goes in great details on the Kaizen way and the Kaizen philosophy and the principle and all that. But the gist of it, is taking small action steps, to create big results. So here's an example, I'm just want to give you an affiliate in the context of affiliate marketing, an example how you can apply small steps, to create results in your business and grow your business. So let's say you want to create a lead magnet, right? An ebook, free gift to give away to your audience, in your niche that you're promoting. As it's common in affiliate marketing to give away something for free in exchange, for a lead, for an email address, right? So that you can build your list. So your goal is to type up a 10,000 word ebook, right? So the ebook is going to, be full of value that your audience will love, so that once they read it, they will thank you, they will, get to know you, like and trust you, and potentially buy from your affiliate recommendations, which is great, right? That's what you want. So your mission is to write a 10,000 word ebook on a topic that will be useful and valuable to your audience. 10,000 words, can appear to be a big task, right, at first when you think about it. But when you implement some of the Kaizen, principles, here's how you can easily achieve and complete your ebook. So let's say a scenario where you worked out that you can only allocate 1 hour each night in your affiliate marketing business. So before you go to bed, for work next morning, say if you have a job at the same time and you're trying to build your affiliate business on the side, right? So if an average, words per minute, a person can type around 35 to 40 minutes. Let's be super conservative and half that to 20 words per minute, right? Then in an hour, you can potentially complete 1,000, just over 1,000 words for your ebook. So that's 20 words per minute times 60 minutes, right? Okay, I understand that you need some time for research, when you're typing away. So let's take that time into consideration and factor that in, and even be more conservative, right? And half those words per minute to 10 words per minute. So 10 words per minute times 60 minutes is 600 words per minute. So half the, right? So 10,000 word ebook divided by 600 words each day, right, equals 17 days. So in just 1 hour a day, after work or before work in the morning, if you like, you can potentially complete your ebook, 10,000 word ebook, in around 17 days, in around 2 weeks, just a little over 2 weeks. So can you see sometimes that when you can break down big tasks into very small tasks, manageable tasks according to your circumstances, then it's possible to achieve your goals and build your affiliate marketing business when you have little time. Right, so that's it really. That's try that. So don't think if you haven't got time, even if you allocate 30 minutes, 1 hour, whatever that you need to do to grow your business, just do it one step at a time, and hopefully, you'll get there. You'll achieve great success in affiliate marketing. Thanks for watching, and if you'd like that video, this video, please like, comment and subscribe. And if you'd like some free resources on how to grow your affiliate marketing business, you can go to affiliateship.com/free, and also add the link in the YouTube description below. Thanks again, and see you soon.